Hello everyone, press N, just a little bit. But let's actually do both of them. So subtract 15 minus 6, which is 9, right? And that's it. In the break, 2 to 5, so that's minus 3, right? Now, let's break this down further. You need to multiply for the negative minus sign. 9 times 3 is 27. This is it. This is the answer. That's the main point. Now, according to Welcome to the Diet, first, let's welcome everyone in this direction, then exponents, then multiplication, the big example. The technician. Regarding this specific objection, we can see the editor is currently at minus 6, and now it is going to further decrease his overall health. No. First of all, branding, so 1. This is the derivative of 2 minus 5 minus 30. You have more to be born. In the bracket, minus t. Hello? Just a little bit. Parentheses, in the time of life, multiplication of the living minus. No. 15 minus into minus root of a plus. 6 times 3 log r, 18, no. 15 plus 18, 13, 3. Right on, sir.